day everyone, today we will see how to create a dynamic window, 3 sashes window. Okay, let's see. Go wipe out frame, enter, select wipe out frame, change layer, wipe out, draw order, send to back. Okay, now go block B, enter, block name, window, 3 sashes, select object, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, go parameters, base point, click here, go parameters, linear, repeat linear, select distance 1 parameter, go properties, rename, wall depth, enter, wall depth, number of grips 1. Okay, select distance 2, go properties, rename, window width, enter, window width, parameters, select number of grips 1. Okay, then go action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, go action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, go stretch 1, select, go properties, distance 2/3, enter, action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, select stretch 2, go properties, distance 1/3, enter. Okay, then go parameters, alignment. Okay, go line, L, enter. Okay, enter, construction, select line, enter, convert. Okay, go parameter, flip, point, base, click here. Okay, now go action, stretch, select wall depth parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, go action, more, select parameter point, select alignment, flip, enter, go more, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, action, more, select wall depth parameter point, select object, select flip 1, enter, select move 1, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, action, flip, select flip parameter, enter, type all, enter. Okay, close block editor, save changes. Okay, let's see. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.